Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jonathan Heath, and I am recording a video for portfolio reasons for a FPS practice round that I've been doing in Unreal so that I can better my skills in Unreal for future employers. Right now, at this current moment, this is the first equivalent to a level that I've shown. I'll show off the test level that I've modified and everything. These are ammo boxes. Right now, placeholders utilizing Imperial Guard. Models from Warhammer 40K. This is the default model that came with the tutorial that I've been following. Links will be in the portfolio, as well as everything else. This is a makeshift crafting bench. So far, very, very vacant. Now, I've already programmed the reduction of ammo, but to better expedite testing purposes, I've removed the ammo reduction from my weapons in order to better speed up the process of testing artificial intelligence. I'm currently making artificial intelligence with an AI controller and a behavior tree. I have recently switched from a different method, so I am still trying to get that better. So this is what I have so far. I'm going to go ahead and press play and show it off. And of course, they already see me. I'm still working on the identification of who I am, but that gives me a chance to show off my health system. I'm attempting to create a health system similar to shoot me through the wall. That's interesting. Hey, I fell through. Fire party player 1, enemy. Property weapon equipped. Okay, yeah, that's coming from the guardsmen who don't have an equipped weapon at this time. So let me go ahead and remove the guardsmen from the level, and I'll show them off at a later time. The guardsmen represent a level 2 enemy. They're going to have a little bit of armor, while these guys won't have any armor. And the fact that he was shooting me through a wall tells me I now have another glitch. So this is the crafting bench. As you can see, bandages metal. Real basic. I plan to implement a widget in the future so that the player can choose what to make, because I also plan to have higher levels of implementation in the future. Now, let's go ahead and watch these guys. I'm going to go ahead and turn on debug mode and see if they do anything. They should do something. But then again, I think I changed up my... No, they won't do anything because I've changed up recently how I call their locations. Because they're going to be called by an EOS, which I'm... EQS, excuse me, at this time. So let me go ahead and go into the behavior tree and show off what currently works right now. So right now, when it says run EQS query, this is what I'm working on making right now. So let me go ahead and break this link right now and show off what I currently have working. I'll put in the patrol, and it'll pick a random location right now. So now, this should work currently as is, but I'm implementing something different in the future. So now, let's take a look. Oh boy. Or not. Or not. Because I fouled up something. Let's go ahead and figure that out. Warning shines in the editor. Widget already added to the screen. I'm going to... There's a bug I gotta fix where I need to find out why it's making a double of a widget. Excuse me. It's making 2 widgets back to back. Fire, focus, look for player, patrol points, patrol. This should be the one I was looking for. Yeah, get random. This is exactly what I was doing. Let me go ahead and reset up the blackboard so I can show this off. And let me double check this patrol. Keyword they're setting, blackboard key, blackboard. I know what I messed up on. Right here, it does not need, it needs patrol location. That's where it's going to go. And just because I think it'll be a good idea to put a weight in there, let's change that weight to 2 seconds, not 5. 5 seems a bit long right now. Let's go back to it, and we're going to press play. There we go. This is what I wanted earlier. Now they're shooting at me. I have not implemented the ability to die yet. And they're still shooting me through cover, so I've got to figure that out. There we go. Now they're hitting me through cover, so I got to figure out why. Let me go ahead and kill them off. And they found me. I'm still working on my alert status. I'm still... So now that I'm not getting shot at left and right, you can see that the armor regenerates slowly. Pick up ammo boxes, they work fine. So that's my really broken, buggy first level. Most definitely a work in progress. They shouldn't have seen me so quick. That means I got to change and track my alertness again. Or something's toggling that particular... There's 2 variables that might be causing it. In fact, I'm going to check one real quick. So, as you can see, I have a hodgepodge of code here because I was working my AI in one way and then decided to change it to a different method after I acquired more training. I need to look into why it's still hitting me outside of a work in progress, nonetheless. I never said it was perfect. Perhaps the collision of those particular devices are not set to the correct parameters. We'll find that out momentarily. So next, let me show off some of the experimentation that I've been doing in my test level. So this is my initial test level. One of the items you didn't see was the armor pickups, ammo boxes, my makeshift crafting bench, and my pain boxes, or fire boxes. Right now they're set to only damage the player. They will be set to damage AI in the future. This is my test for EQS. I will be tweaking that system in the future, and that's how my characters will be navigating. And that's the interesting thing. Maybe it's the level because he hasn't seen me yet, and he still comes at me and attacks me like that. So I don't know what to do with that. It could be something about being up in the air. Nonetheless, here we go. These are my initial health pickups for the big ones. And the smaller ones. Now, crafting bench, as I stated. Make a bunch of health pickups and ammo. And the pain boxes. Armor pickup. Works good. The other one with the helmet does more. And let me go ahead and press H. Heals real perfectly. So overall, some of the things that I've been working on work exactly the way I want to. Other things are still a work in progress. For example, the navigation of my characters and everything else. Navigation of my enemy contacts. And this is only the beginning. I intend to continue making this project I have named Practice FPS as I prepare to. Once again, I'm doing this project to better my skills in Unreal. So it'll be something to show off much more interesting in the not too distant future. Thank you for your time. Please have a good day.